Hey, what's going on, traders? For those of you that were there this morning, you know I don't take many sick days, but I logged in this morning and super sick. I think I threw up 3 times before 30 minutes into the session, and I finally just called it a day. Sorry for bailing on y'all. I really actually had a nice morning. The opening 30 minutes, Wayne made some great calls, Overstock, FTCH. I made a call in, what was that sympathy play to RKDA? YTEN. I saw that RKDA, after we had talked about it, broke that high right there that we were looking at over 685, I think. Yeah, it hit 685 here, 685 here, and somewhere around here is when I left for the day. I couldn't take it anymore, but I see that it broke. Hopefully you guys had a nice trade in that one. Wayne made a great call in BYND as well. But anyway, it's short. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I'm hoping to be well and trade tomorrow. I think I will. I'm keeping food down. Body aches are still killing me. But anyway, what are we watching? What am I going to watch tomorrow? It's not a very big list, but YRIV, big breakout today, big volume. We'll see if we get any kind of follow through tomorrow. RKDA, got to watch that one. It's made it, just what you call a stupid move over 2 days. And after hours, right now as I'm making this video, it's trading at 830 all the way up here. So who knows? I mean, it's certainly crowded, but I'm going to watch it again. FOMX, you had the breakout on Friday, and then you kind of have an equal 2-day high, or pretty close to equal. I kind of like it over this, 285, yes, Friday and today. So I kind of like it over 285. Might make a quick run to 3 and maybe break out through that as well. SOLY, this chart doesn't look like much, but it had a pretty nice intraday move today. From 868 to 1219, that is a big intraday move. It settled in below 11, but I still think this is worth watching for a second day play. TTOO, this one's kind of obscure. I talked about it in the video for Monday, and you kind of have a 2-day high here, 97 cents on Friday, 96 cents today. So I like it over that 2-day high. We might just then rip through $1 and maybe test this, what was the high here, $1.07. And if we get above that, maybe really squeeze. So we're going to watch that one. Ruby goes back on watch. It's still coiling. This big breakout, 8 sessions ago, something like that, and it's really, really coiled. Could break to the downside as well, so we'll make it meet one of our A-plus intraday setups before we'll get involved. RLGY had the gap up on Thursday, sold off, but then curling back up. Today's high, 609. Thursday's high, 622. I like this one a lot. We'll see if it gives a clean setup. MTCH. Match.com just goes on bounce watch again. And FLR really, really beaten up. Just as much as 7 sessions ago, this thing was almost $28 and now it's 18. And then if you just go a little bit further back, it was in the 30s, and then back in April it was in the 40s. In the 60s in October. This thing is just getting decimated. It doesn't mean it's ever going to see those prices again, but it is getting that kind of down. Look at every one of these days closed below its open since it gapped down here. So it's certainly due, and it's starting to maybe accelerate to the downside. So if we can get any kind of downside shape on an intraday basis or one of our bounce play setups, I think we get a nice snapback bounce just for a trade in FLR. Remember, I'm not an investor. I just trade intraday, and I'm cash every night. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Hopefully we'll add some gappers to this list. I know it's not a very long list. The market was pretty weak today too, though, so not a lot of clean charts, but I anticipate the teamwork will just keep doing what we're doing, and there's been some amazing ideas. And before I took off today, I even heard Wayne say, you almost didn't realize the market was down because of the quality posts and quality ideas in chat. So let's just keep that going, man, and we'll see y'all in chat tomorrow.